Welcome back to Instables again as we jump back above our 10-day moving average here, looking to see if we continue to respect our 10-day moving average for that possible continuation above our prior balance here. Again, we did have that bounce back last week after Powell and bouncing exactly off of our lower balance here on exactly our 50-day moving average as well. So now we are looking to see if we continue to respect our 10-day, if we cross with our 10-day back above our 21 here for any possible bullish case scenario. I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you are looking for major volatile movers, again, for example, today, as you guys can see here with TRVN mentioning FDA approval after market open, mentioning at 90 cents that we were looking to see if we can break above our $1 psychological resistance, which was just above our pre-market high at 98 cents. We jumped above that $1 point here. And as you guys can see, jumping all the way up to $3.71, leading into after hours. As you guys can see, an amazing breakout, over 200% from our $1 psychological resistance. These are the type of major movers we do mention in the Instables room. Again, finding pre-market news as early as you will possibly find it is what we look for, and also major levels that you want to be watching for possible major moves. Again, any major data as well on the market. If you are watching the market, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, let's jump right into this one. So jumping into this buy with you guys here again, leading into tomorrow, we are anticipating Wednesday's CPI coming out 1 hour before market open. We sit here on a hammer candle looking to see if we can continue to respect our 10-day, as we need our 10-day to cross back above our 21 if we want to continue on with this bullish momentum. So in my opinion, we are not panicky to any major bullish move until we do see exactly how CPI's candle closes. And the reason why is because if CPI were to come out higher than expected, a lot higher than expected, then we can possibly shift in momentum, and we would have that justified with a possible double top here that many would have called the very end of our trend that we would have had for that continuation on lower. However, if we continue on bearish, if CPI closes more bullish than bearish, for example, after CPI, if we do happen to get our 10 to cross back above our 21 and we continue to respect our 10-day after Wednesday CPI, then in my opinion, we can retest our prior balance high. And if we do get that bullish case scenario, jumping back above our prior balance high and getting that retest will be that key play here. Again, continuing on above our resistance here at 418 to possibly get that consolidation above our resistance for, again, that bullish case scenario would be what we're looking for. In my opinion, more bullish than bearish. We are still cautious to the downside. Again, we have been eating dips, nice bounces that we have been getting. If you guys have been looking at our overall trend on the weekly chart, as we have been mentioning, with our 21-day crossing above our 50-day, again, with our two hammer candles giving us large wicks to the downside, showing us a lot of bullish momentum. However, again, as we are cautious to the downside, since we have been getting that respect on our 10-weekly moving average, in my opinion, very much looking to see if we continue to respect our 10-weekly moving average, if we continue on with this possible bullish case scenario. In my opinion, this is what we're looking for. That 418 level will give us possible momentum to test our 431 level that we have been talking about here. And again, if we continue on above 431, that would be that larger gap up, since we do have our prior gap downs. And in my opinion, we are very much watching for any of this possible bullish case scenario, since we have been overall sitting within our symmetric triangle here, now sitting above our symmetric triangle once again after last week's morning star that we had after, again, that pullback, a nice morning star setup, possible continuation on this morning star to our 418 prior balance high. And again, looking for any possible bullish case scenario above our prior balance high to get that possible gap up to our 431 level is what we would be looking for. Again, past 431 would be that possible continuation of 448. Again, these are the levels that we're looking for here. Again, past 418 with that bullish candle structure could be that 431 level, and that bullish candle structure above 431 would be that possible retest at 448. This is what we're looking for to continue on higher. Keeping this symmetric triangle on watch is the overall watch here. And again, keep it on watch because we are still above it. So again, we are still on watch for any bullish case scenario as our 10-day holds below our 21, looking for any possible cross higher, any possible bullish case scenario on a continuation is what we're looking for here. Again, looking at our Fibonacci lines as we have our 409 level, in my opinion, we would stop out here below 409, possible gap down to 403. But in my opinion, overall sitting bullish, very cautious to the downside. Stop outs, in my opinion, very much cautious below 409, like I said, but we are very much sitting on a hammer candle looking for how Our next candle will close after the next with CPI on Wednesday is going to be the overall watch here if we continue on above our prior balance that we have been getting resistance at. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, major volatile movers like we mentioned earlier with TRVN running over 200% from our $1 psychological resistance. Again, staying patient, taking what the market gives us is what we do in the Instabulls room. And again, for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you Instabulls, again, TRVN, absolute amazing run, continuing to take what the market gives us as we are cautious leading into Wednesday CPI is what we'll continue to do from here. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all. I'll see you guys in pre-market.